Holy cow, guys. The car is being dropped off in like between 7 and 37 minutes, allegedly. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm about to throw up, I think. I literally feel sick. Oh my gosh. Okay, we are taking delivery officially today. I'm literally at work and I have to go grab my dream car on my lunch break. And then I have to go back to work. I can't just take the rest of the day off. How crazy is that? It's gonna be really hard to do anything today. I texted the transport guy because there was no update on the shipping for 2 days. And I was like, hey, just wanna know like where the car is because I gotta rearrange some plans here and there. I wanna make sure I'm not away from work too long, all that business. He said 1 to 2 o'clock today is the delivery. So we are 4 days ahead of schedule. I don't know what kind of laws this guy broke doing the freaking delivery, but oh, I'm glad he did. I am definitely giving this dude a tip because I expected fully the 10th is when this car would come in. It is the 6th, it's Wednesday. So we're ahead of schedule. We've got the car en route, possibly there already. I mean, I'm like 20 minutes away. This is so fun for me. You have no idea. I didn't know how this feeling would feel, but now I'm feeling it. And it's unreal, dude. Absolutely unreal. Now I wait. Now we've been waiting. What am I talking about? Today is the day. I'm 17 minutes away from picking up my dream car. I'm taking you guys along with me. Oh gosh, it just doesn't feel real. Been doing this YouTube thing for like 7 years, and each car I get is more exciting than the last, but like this one just feels so different. I don't want to keep teasing it. I gotta show you guys what it is, don't I? It's coming on a truck and trailer. Let's cut to it. Shall we do the reveal of my new car, my dream car? Let's hit it. Delivery driver just called me. He's at the house and I am 1 minute away. What perfect timing. Ah! It's here. This is not mine. This is not real, bro. This is not real. This is not real. This is not real. Can't be real. There's no way. What on earth? I think this car deserves a proper wash. So we're gonna do that today. Get my new car wash shoes on. They've been upgraded from last year's car wash shoes, which are destroyed and in the garbage. Let's wash the car for the first time. What? Can't believe this is my car, dude. Insane. I'm gonna play some music. Oh yeah, these are gnarly. Ooh, yeah, it's pretty bad. This is like the perfect width to get in these wheel design spokes. Awesome. And the new Adams wheel brush. Not too bad. it's mine. I cannot believe it still. This does not feel real, but guys, this is my 2014 Audi R8 V8 in a dual clutch transmission. It's got the S-Tronic V8, which is a rare spec, and it's the spec I wanted. This one is optioned so perfectly. It's got the high gloss wheels and the Bang & Olufsen sound system, and that's pretty much it. No black optics package, which does not bother me. This is just a perfect, clean example of a flagship supercar from the mid 2010s. I mean, this is it. I cannot believe that I'm standing here right now telling you guys this is my new car in real life. It's insane to me. Few key parts about this car: the updated headlights and taillights. So with the 2014 and 2015, they have LEDs and, ooh, it's loud. They are updated and look really good. In my honest opinion, I think the Gen 1 and Gen 1.5 look better than the new Gen 2s. I have some friends with Gen 2s, and I apologize to them wholeheartedly, but you cannot beat this full carbon side blade on the Gen 2s. This part protrudes out, and they're cut into two parts. I think it's just so sharp. It's got the wing, which I think looks pretty cool. Updated taillights as well there. The large circular tip exhaust instead of the older exhaust. So it actually looks just like a V10 anywhere on the car except for the side blade, which on the V10s it comes out a little here. And of course, you can see the motor. Incredible. I think my favorite angle of the car is this right here. Except there's no bad angle, so it's insane. The front of the car looks so good too, and when you're standing right in front of it, it's tough because I've got the garage here, but when you're standing right here, like all of these lines just look, they line up so well, and it's so good, it's so perfect. Daytona gray is the paint color. I've never owned a gray car in my life. My last two cars have been white. My one before that was Estrel blue. So here we are. We're trying something new. 3 of my 5 cars I've owned have been white, which is funny if you count my 328i, which was my first enthusiast car that I purchased. The 2014 R8 is and has been my dream car, and it's finally here. It feels so good to say this one is mine. Let's go for a quick tour around the car. Very clean example. Only 28,000 miles on this. Came from California. We still have the California plate over there, which is funny. I might run it. Just kidding. It's actually very illegal. But I'm going to transfer the plate from the Tesla, which is the dumb plate. So don't worry. I forgot it's got a regular key now, so we got to use that to get in and out. Hopefully we have ample lighting in here. But if we take a look at the interior, ooh, it's a little hot in here. We have the updated paddle shifters. These are aluminum. In the older ones, they were like cheap plastic. We've got the shifter, obviously being a R8. We have the old school kind of e-brake here because it doesn't have a park. So that's that. This car did come with a Bluetooth adapter, which is in here. So funky old car stuff. There's a Bluetooth adapter in there. Helps with the music. This has stock somewhere in here. It's like the iPod cable. Yeah, there's the tuned air. I haven't actually looked in here yet. No way. Is this another plate? Hold on. No way. We have another California plate. Are you kidding me? This is not even a joke. That's awesome, dude. Now we have 2. Sorry, previous owner, but you left that in there. Oh my gosh, the owner's manual says R8 on it. That is freaking cool, dude. Oh, there's a receipt. I wonder what it's for. Smog test. He paid $68 because California is gonna do California things. Oh, there's a cigarette thing in there. I was plugging my dash cam into there. That is gonna... Okay, yeah, we're changing that. And then I can run it like up the trim. Beautiful. Anyways, what I'm looking for is the other thing. I guess they moved it because in the older R8s it was in there, but Bluetooth 30-pin connectors for an old iPod, which is hilarious. Turn on the auxiliary power here. Old switchblade style key, of course. And everything is so analog. It's got the dials, it's got the tachometer, it's got the speedometer, 220 on the dash, ladies and gents, for a old supercar that can't hit it. It's funny it's there, but we've got the dash cam already set up, so be on the lookout for content there on my socials. You can't beat this interior. You can't. It's the best. They peaked. Audi design peaked. This is the peak, 2014. Oh gosh, this is too good. Way too nice of a car for me. I'll be honest. I spoiled myself a bit here, guys. It's got the leather seats. So again, nothing really fancy in the interior. It's just pretty basic, but peak Audi design. It also came with half a tank of gas, which the gas came from California. So right now it's like $8 a gallon. So it honestly added value to the car, I would say. I don't know if you can count that, but the fact that this California license plate probably cost a few $100s, and it came with this guy on it. I think we added almost $500 worth of goodies if we're keeping tally. So the shipping was pretty darn expensive, I'll be honest. Price of doing business. It was funny, I was looking at an R8, which I posted on my social medias, and that car was actually right here, about 5 miles away from me in Michigan. And I had test driven it. I came to an agreement on the price on it, and I ultimately just I really just delayed, and I didn't put a down payment or like a deposit on it, and I lost the car. So I was really, really bummed out about that. And I was like, there's no way that one is gonna pop up that's a better deal or the same deal. That car was Daytona gray, had 28,000 miles, 5 owners, and was a few $1,000s more expensive. So I found this one, 2 less owners, Daytona gray, 28,000 miles, the exact same thing, but it was in California, 2,500 miles away. So I paid to get the car shipped here in an enclosed trailer. Car absolutely flew here. It was originally scheduled to be here on the 10th. It got here 4 days early. So I won't say anything as far as the logistics and anything else. But let's say the car got here early, and I'm very, very happy about it. It's looking the best it has probably in a very long time. This car was only driven for 400 miles in the last year and a half. So I was very nervous about that, about the maintenance history. I wasn't 100% certain. So we got the oil changed right away. I literally drove it, spent 10 minutes with the car, took it right to First Call Auto Care on Woodward in Detroit, Michigan. I guess Royal Oak, Michigan. They took care of me. They got the oil changed, did a little inspection, which, found a couple things here and there that are going to need replacement or, preventative care, but it's a 12-year-old supercar. So that's kind of what we're getting into, and we knew that. So ultimately, this is one heck of a car. I can't stop staring at it. I can't really fathom it. We got the wheels cleaned up. We got the tire shine on there. The Daytona gray is really growing on me. I wasn't sure what to expect in person. I've seen Daytona gray cars before, but just this with the high gloss and then the titanium on the R8 and then the high gloss here, all works together so well. We're getting the windows tinted in 2 days. So just imagine what this car is going to look like when windows tinted and then the black just kind of goes down into the carbon. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such a treat. Again, this car is way too nice for me, but it's been my dream car, and I cannot believe it's finally sitting here and I can call it mine. Obviously, I couldn't have done this without you guys and YouTube, and it's been kind of my excuse to have fun with these cars, but I was really just saving and being boring with the Tesla, and I'll be honest, the Tesla is such a great daily. You can't beat that car for what it is. It's something that'll get you to and from where you need to go reliably. But gosh, just not having a car was driving me nuts. So it gave me an opportunity to save up, kind of hibernated all winter, and ultimately, again, pulled the trigger on this. Life's not long enough to keep waiting and prolonging. I'm like, you know what? I've been financially smart basically for years and years and years. I want to pop out with something fun. So I was looking at R8s prior, and then I was like, you know what? I should probably buy a house first. We bought the house. We built the garage here. Obviously didn't build it, but it's a brand new garage, essentially, what we did, the projects on it. And here we are. I cannot believe all of this. All of this, I just am so thankful. This is insane. You guys had a big part in this. I had the RS sign up, kind of manifesting what I wanted next. Didn't really know. My parents got me this as a housewarming gift when we first moved in. And now it's the R8 Silhouette, man. It's here, it's real. I am probably gonna edit this video, sit in the garage and admire this thing the rest of the evening. And again, I just wanna say thank you to the people watching who made this possible. Obviously I've got multiple jobs. This isn't the only thing I do. That's the dream, obviously, but for the time being, I can say this is not possible without you. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everything. I'm just feeling very thankful right now. I wanna make it to a lot of events. We're taking it up north, Northern Michigan. Really just pumped, man. Subscribe. Let's hit 50,000 subs. I know we can get there. Until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We'll see ya.